Hi everyone, it's Andrew Ng. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world. It's making things easier and faster. Did you know you can use AI to make money too? It's true. AI can help you find new ways to earn money and grow your business. In this guide, we'll explore how you can unlock the money-making power of AI. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is through freelancing. AI tools can help you work faster and smarter. If you're a writer, AI can help you write articles and marketing copy. AI design tools can help you create stunning graphics and visuals. Even coding can be made easier with AI, allowing you to build websites and apps faster. These AI tools can help you take on more clients and increase your income. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. So whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, AI can help you boost your freelance career. AI isn't just for freelancers. Businesses can benefit too. AI can help you understand your customers better. With AI, you can personalize your marketing campaigns. This means showing the right ads to the right people at the right time. AI can also power chatbots for your website. These chatbots can answer customer questions and solve problems 24/7. Happy customers mean more sales and business growth. Investing in AI is investing in the future of your business. If you're tech-savvy, you can create AI solutions and sell them. This could be anything from AI-powered apps to custom AI tools for businesses. Developing AI solutions can be lucrative, but it requires programming skills. However, there are many resources available online to learn AI development. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer online courses in AI and machine learning. With dedication and hard work, you can become an AI entrepreneur. Learn AI, get hired. The jobs of tomorrow are here today. The demand for AI professionals is skyrocketing. Companies across all industries are looking for people with AI skills. Learning AI can open up a world of job opportunities. You can become an AI engineer, data scientist, or AI consultant. These jobs are in high demand and offer competitive salaries. So if you're looking for a future-proof career, consider learning AI. Easy-to-use AI tools, your gateway to AI profits. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use AI. Many user-friendly AI tools and platforms are available today. For writing, there's Grammarly for grammar and spelling checks, and Jasper for generating marketing copy. Canva uses AI to help you create professional designs. For coding, platforms like GitHub Copilot can assist you with writing code. These tools are designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different AI tools. The future is AI. Embrace the change, reap the rewards. AI is not a fad, it's the future. It's only going to become more powerful and prevalent in our lives. Embracing AI can open up a world of opportunities for you, both personally and professionally. By learning about AI and using AI tools, you can stay ahead of the curve. Don't be afraid of the unknown. Embrace the change, and you'll be well positioned to reap the rewards of the AI revolution. Conclusion: start your AI money-making journey today. As you've seen, there are many ways to make money with AI. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or someone looking for a new career path, AI has something to offer you. The most important thing is to start exploring and learning. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving. Take the first step today and unlock your AI money-making potential. The future is yours to create. About the author. Andrew Ng is the founder of deeplearning.ai and Landing AI. He's a passionate advocate for democratizing access to AI and empowering individuals and businesses to thrive in the age of AI.